Hey everyone! Ready to dive into the world of effortless meal prep for weight loss? I promise it's easier than you think. Let's get started. First, planning is key. Decide your meals for the week before you even step foot in the grocery store. This way, you'll avoid impulse buys and stick to the healthy stuff. Think lean proteins, veggies, and whole grains. Simple but effective. Next, invest in good containers. Trust me, they'll become your best friends. Opt for glass or BPA-free plastic containers in different sizes. This helps with portion control and keeps your food fresh. Alright, now for the fun part. Cooking. Start with batch cooking proteins. Grill up some chicken breasts, bake some salmon, or sauté tofu. Season them simply with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. This way they're versatile and can be used in different dishes. Then move on to veggies. Roast a big tray with a mix of your favorites. Broccoli, bell peppers, zucchini, you name it. A drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt, and you're good to go. Roasting brings out the natural sweetness and makes them super tasty. For grains, cook a big pot of quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat pasta. These are great bases for bowls or side dishes. And don't forget about legumes. Beans and lentils are fantastic sources of protein and fiber. Now let's talk assembling. Mix and match your proteins, veggies, and grains to keep things interesting. One day it's a chicken quinoa bowl. The next it's a veggie stir-fry. The possibilities are endless. Here's a tip. Use sauces and dressings to switch up flavors. A simple vinaigrette, a dollop of hummus, or even a squeeze of lemon can make a big difference. Just be mindful of the calories in store-bought options. And there you have it. Meal prep doesn't have to be a time-consuming chore. With a little planning and some smart cooking, you can set yourself up for weight loss success. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more. Happy prepping! Remember, consistency is key. Set aside specific days for meal prep to make it a habit. Use timers to keep track of cooking times and avoid overcooking. Label your containers with dates to keep track of freshness. Enjoy your meals knowing you've made healthy choices that support your weight loss journey. Share these tips with friends and family to help them on their journey too. You've got this. Happy prepping and good luck on your weight loss journey.